Hello there and welcome to Jonathan Cook's Alpine Edition. Today we'll be making an Alpine twist on the classic Gin and Tonic. Except we don't have all the right ingredients and we're pushed for time. But we'll show you what we can do. So out here the best thing to start with is some snow. Here I have a nice large plate of snow which I have freshly prepared, and that will be our substitute for the ice cubes. We have regular Gordon's gin. I did have some Hendrix out here. They don't do gin out here, they just don't sell it. And instead of having tonic water, we'll be going with the traditional Almdudler, which is the most popular soft drink in Austria, topping out Coca-Cola. And yet again, in the finishing department, we do not have lime or lemon, so we will be using orange. So let's get started. First of all, just whack off a few chunks of snow there, and just pop them in the glass, like so. It gives that sort of frosted sugar effect that everyone's going for these days in the bars. And here's our gin, and just like an old gin tonic, we're just going to pour it in. About half a bottle here, so let's just creating a milky sort of essence, a bit more. Probably about 100 ml in there now, so it's going to be a nice strong drink. And pop the rest in there. More in here, a bit more in there. Squeeze a bit of orange juice in each cup. And just pop up there, and then as I say, to top it off I'll put in some Almdudler, which adds a bit of sugar to it, and a bit of colour as well. It's got an apple juicy type colour, and it's made primarily with apple juice and spices, and the recipe goes back quite some time. Doesn't that look lovely? Oh, it is too. You can smell the aromas of the juniper berries coming off that. And as for the rest of the snow that I've gathered here, well, the great thing out here is everything's recyclable, so we'll just chip that off the side. Like that. And there we are, we're done. So, cook into my delicious Alpine Style Gin and Tonics. Cheers.
Yeah.